Hello guys, when you want to use the slicing blade or the grater, please make sure that you remove the other blades underneath. Remove this plastic one and remove the metal one, because if you don't remove them, whatever that you slice or grate, those which are responsible for chopping, they will chop them. So if, let's say, you want to make slice, you leave the metal blade inside, it will chop every slice that you have sliced. So always remove these two blades, lock your food processor again. You will be feeding them from above. So if it's a carrot, you'll be feeding it, and then you will be using this to push it. If you are no longer able to hold it with your fingers, you'll push it up until everything is sliced. Then you're good to go. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.